Hello friends, and welcome to today's segment called Would I Buy My Own Listing? And we're going to break down a mixed-use property that I have listed over in Scottsville, Michigan. It's at 133 South Main Street. And if you've been interested in real estate investing and you see these opportunities come up and you're like, I don't know what to do. Is this a good investment? How do I break this down? How do I underwrite this? We're going to do that together right here, right now. We'll take it over to the whiteboard. So in this property, it's a mixed use property and we have 3 units in total. We have unit A and B that are residential on the upstairs. We have unit C that is commercial on the main floor. So unit A is $800 a month, unit B $850 a month, and unit C is $700 a month. So we add those all up together and that gives us a gross rent of just over $2,300 a month. Now, if we want to find out what is our gross income for the entire year, we're just going to multiply this by 12, and that gives us what our potential income is, not including expenses for the year. So we just over $28,000 for the year. So next, let's go ahead and break down the expenses per month and then per year, and let's see how does this property cash flow at a $150,000 purchase price. All right, and we're back for expenses now. So let's walk through this together. So we have a $150,000 purchase price amount, and let's just say you're putting down 20%, kind of traditional financing. So 20% of the 150 is going to be $30,000 down. So let's base this off of an estimated mortgage of $120,000. So estimated mortgage payment is going to be roughly $840 a month just to purchase the property. So let's add taxes for $200 a month, insurance at a $125 a month, water and sewer is being paid for by the owner currently, so we'll estimate that in per month. And then just adding like a vacancy rate in reserves. This could also be used for repairs that may come up, and let's budget in $350 monthly. So we have the average monthly expenses of just over $1,600 a month for this property. All right, so now we bring it all together and we got our cash flow. So we bring back our just over $2,300 in gross income minus our expenses that we just broke down, and that leaves us with just over $700 a month in terms of cash flow. So we multiply that by 12 to give us an estimated just shy of $9,000 a year that is income. I don't know about you, but I could do quite a bit with an extra $9,000 a year roughly. So this is a very surface level breakdown or underwriting of this deal and what it could look like. So, you know, if it was something you're actually interested in, we'd go in and instead of using so many estimated numbers, we would really get solid figures. So that way, when you're doing these same steps, you're using the most up-to-date and accurate information possible. And this is where investing can get really fun, because now you have an asset that's going to be appreciating over time. So you bought it at 150, and who knows what it's going to be worth 10 years from now. And on top of that, you have something that you can put some sweat equity into. Maybe you decide you want to remodel the upstairs residential units, and you take that $800 a month rent and it turns into $900 or $1,000. And all that's going to do is continue to benefit that cash flow. And as you're working down on that mortgage, and eventually when that mortgage is gone, then you cash flow that much more because you eliminate the entire mortgage payment from your expenses. So this is, again, really quick breakdown, but if you have questions and you're wondering how can you do this for other properties, let me know. I'd love to go through it with you. And if this one interests you, give me a call because I don't think it will last long.